Hey, I'm going to share with you 3 of my favorite oils. If I were going to be stranded on a deserted island, these are the oils I would choose to have with me. First off, quick tip. If you are new to oils, I recommend diluting with a fatty oil such as coconut oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, any fatty oil of your choice. That will just slow the absorption of the essential oil into your skin. Some oils are considered hot, meaning they might feel hot on your skin. That doesn't mean they're hurting you or anything, but they could feel uncomfortable, so just dilute when you're starting off. Second tip, if you're doing oils with your kids and you don't know how to use them, the advice they give is to start slow and low. Slow meaning very few drops, maybe 1 drop at a time, and low meaning the lower part of their body, like on the bottom of the feet. Okay, the first oil. Frankincense. Frankincense has a bazillion uses. It's nicknamed the coconut oil of essential oils because you know how coconut oil has a bazillion uses too. I like to use frankincense on fine lines of my face. I like to use it on any skin irritations such as bug bites, rashes, scrapes, anything like that. It is also very calming. You can apply it right on your chest if you're feeling feelings of anxiety. It's amazing for that. Frankincense. My next oil, I'm sure you've heard of Thieves essential oil. This is considered a hot oil. It has clove and cinnamon and other things in it. Thieves is my go-to for winter. All winter long, I do not run out of this oil. I like to diffuse it, and I also like to put it right on my neck, my lymph nodes if they're feeling swollen. I feel like I'm getting something, some of the yuck that's going around. If I have a sore throat, I will drop it right on my tongue. Like I said, clove and cinnamon, it's very hot. I like to drink water after it. Some people don't think it's hot. Every person is different, so these are just my recommendations from my experience. Thieves is a powerhouse oil if you're battling any type of winter yuck. And the last one is my ultimate favorite oil, peppermint. I love peppermint. It's got many uses. You can use this for sore muscles. You could use it for respiratory issues. If you have a headache, I like to apply it right on my hairline. It's also considered a hot oil. Don't put it anywhere near the eyes. I first started out with oils. I dropped it right in my eye. Thought I was going to go blind. But my friends told me just put coconut oil in it and it was fine. But it's really hot. I also like to put a drop in my water in a glass container, and it helps with digestion, upset stomach. If you're feeling tired or fatigued, peppermint is amazing. This is your best friend for stomach issues, headache, so many different things. So those are my 3 favorite go-to oils. If you have any questions, let me know, and I hope this was helpful. Have a great day.